In our previous video, we talked about the archaeological town of Paestum. Leaving behind the awe-inspiring temples and ruins of Paestum gave us a sense of stepping out of one chapter of history and into another. Today, we journey just a few kilometers away to explore the medieval town of Agropoli, easily accessible by train from the ancient ruins of Paestum. This allows visitors to experience both the archaeological wonders of Paestum and the medieval charm of Agropoli in one trip. As we walked through the ancient city of Agropoli, we felt like stepping into a living time capsule. The historic old town, with its narrow, winding streets, stone houses, and charming squares, transported us back to medieval times. Every corner held a new discovery, each stone whispering stories of the past. Climbing to the Aragonese Castle was a breathtaking experience. Perched atop the town, the castle offered stunning panoramic views of the Tyrrhenian Sea and the surrounding countryside. Standing there, you could almost hear the echoes of ancient defenders and imagine the strategic importance this fortress once held. Agropoli's rich religious heritage is reflected in its significant sites. The Church of Saints Peter and Paul, an architectural gem within the old town, radiates a peaceful, spiritual aura. Nearby, the sanctuary of Madonna di Costantinopoli draws locals and visitors alike, especially during the annual festival in August, celebrating with music, love, and tradition. The modern marina of Agropoli is where history meets the present. Strolling along the waterfront, we enjoyed the lively atmosphere, with boats bobbing in the water and the aroma of fresh seafood wafting from the restaurants. It's the perfect place to relax and soak in the local culture. Agropoli also offers stunning coastal walks and scenic views. Walking along the cliffs, with the sea stretching out to the horizon, was a serene and rejuvenating experience. The natural beauty of this area adds another layer of charm to the medieval town. As we explored Agropoli, we found a unique blend of historical intrigue, natural beauty, and vibrant local culture. The medieval streets, historic sites, and artistic heritage created an unforgettable experience that will stay with us forever. Thank you for joining us on this personal journey through Agropoli. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations of Italy's most fascinating destinations. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of our ancient and medieval past.